Hi guys, this is the West Country Kitchen, and on today's episode we're going to be cooking sausage and peppers in a lovely crusty white baton roll. We're going to need some pork sausages, bell peppers, olive oil and balsamic vinegar, brown sugar, and a selection of herbs. We start by taking our bell peppers, chop off the top, put that flat side down, and then slice away all of the flesh, just leaving the core that you can discard. And then we're going to be cooking our peppers julienne, which basically just means into long thin strips or batons. So work your way through that. Always nice to use a green and a red pepper just for aesthetics. Pop this to one side in a bowl, and now we need to cook our sausages. Take a nice solid bottomed frying pan, add a good splash of extra virgin olive oil, take a clove of garlic, chop that in half, and put it face down into the oil, just so it starts to perfume the pan for us. And then we pop in our sausages, no need to season them just yet. Also throw in a handful of herbs. You can use thyme, rosemary, sage, it's entirely up to you. Generous knob of butter, and roll that around. And then we want to turn over our sausages. Give those a good 5-6 minutes on each side so we get a nice bit of caramelisation. Roll them around in the butter, get it nice and foamy. And then once we've got a nice bit of colour on our sausages, remove those from the pan. And then we want to clean out our pan, pop it back onto the heat, add another generous splash of extra virgin olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Roll that around in the pan, and then pop in our bell peppers. Season generously. And at first I just gently sweat those down until they're nice and soft, and then turn up the heat a touch so we get a little bit of blistering on the skins and we get a nice roasted flavour to them. At this point we then go in with 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Give those another few minutes in the pan until they're nicely caramelised. We deglaze with a couple of tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Give that 1 or 2 moments just to reduce down a touch, and then we want to pop back in our sausages, which we want to slice into bite-sized pieces before going back into the pan with the pepper. Now give these another few minutes, get them nice and caramelised. Let them sit there in the pan to cool down off the heat just for a minute or 2. They'll be beautiful and sticky, rich and delicious and sweet. So, when we're ready, we take our bread of choice. Here I've gone for a nice crusty farmhouse baton. Chop that in half. Open that up. And then we want to spoon in our sausage and peppers. Now this is a classic Italian-American dish. There's a few different ways of doing it. This is just my personal rendition. I've taken the Italian recipe as a baseline and I've changed it a little bit to my own personal flavour. Give it a try. Give the video a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. You do not want to miss out. Lots more recipes coming your way. And guys, have a fantastic day. Take care. See you next time.